أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
I seek refuge with Allah from Satan the outcast.
نحن نقص عليك نبأهم بالحق إنهم فتية آمنوا بربهم وزدناهم هدى.
We relate to you their story in truth. They were youths who believed in their Lord, and we increased them in guidance.
وربطنا على قلوبهم إذ قاموا فقالوا ربنا رب السماوات والأرض لن ندعو من دونه إلها لقد قلنا إذا شططا.
And we strengthened their hearts, when they stood up and said, Our Lord is the Lord of the heavens and the earth. We will not call on any God besides him, for then we would have spoken an outrage.
هؤلاء قوم اتخذوا من دونه آلهة لولا يأتون عليهم بسلطان بين فمن أظلم ممن افترى على الله كذبا.
These people, our people, have taken to themselves gods other than him. Why do they not bring a clear proof concerning them? Who, then, does greater wrong than he who invents lies and attributes them to Allah?
وَإِذِ اعْتَزَلْتُمُوهُمْ وَمَا يَعْبُدُونَ إِلَّا اللَّهَ فَأْوُوا إِلَى الْكَهْفِ يَنشُرْ لَكُمْ رَبُّكُمْ مِنْ رَحْمَتِهِ وَيُهَيِّئْ لَكُمْ مِنْ أَمْرِكُمْ مِرْفَقًا.
Now that you have withdrawn from them, and from what they worship besides Allah, take shelter in the cave. And your Lord will unfold his mercy for you, and will set your affair towards ease.